quickly. I'm about 25 minutes from my free beginners investing class that starts in 25 minutes. I do this every Sunday. And before, I'm literally driving right now to get set up for the class. But as I was driving, I was thinking about, somebody just asked me, um, can I be a long-term investor with a 9 to 5? And it made me think about the things that you really need in order to be a good long-term investor. So I want to share with you guys 3 things that you need to be a good long-term investor as I prepare for this free class that's starting in about 25 minutes. And look, if you're interested in joining the free beginners class, I have the link for you to register in the description. So we start at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard, so about 25 minutes. But look, a lot of people think that you have to have a whole lot of money. They think that you need to be sitting behind a computer screen in order to be a good investor. They believe that you need some background in business or finance. Guys, those aren't the skills that are necessary for you to be a good long-term investor. The first thing that you need to be a good long-term investor, the first thing that you need is patience. Because here's the deal. I tell all of my students that we're always investing. We're dollar cost averaging every single month, right? We're going to always invest. We're not trying to time the market. We're not trying to get the perfect dip. We're not doing that. We're going to always be dollar cost averaging, investing a little bit of money consistently. That's going to be the most important thing, the most important ingredient for your portfolio. But listen, there will be times in the market where we get dips, where we get corrections, where we get recessions, and those create our best investing opportunities because the best investors know that they make their money when they buy and not necessarily when they sell. But you got to be chill. You can't be caught up, ate up, trying to look at your portfolio every single day. Buying dips intraday. That's not what you're looking for. You just sit back, relax, be consistent in terms of the investments and the amount of money that you invest. And I promise you, a dip is coming. 2025 proved to us that if you buy the dip, the market will come back. It happened in April. It happened during the summer. It happened again just a few weeks ago at the end of November. Buy the dip, the market will bounce. So you have to be patient. And I know a lot of the times people want like the tactical things, like, oh, the stocks. And do I need to be looking at the PE ratio? And what do the profit margins need to be? Like we have technology to do all of that analysis for us. The biggest things is what's up here. Like, what's your mindset? What are the personal characteristics? Can you control yourself? So the first thing is patience. Just patiently wait for the best opportunities that present themselves in the market, but make sure you're dollar cost averaging consistently. All right, that's the first thing you need. The second thing that you need is vision. All right, let me tell you why you need vision. Vision gives you the ability to know like where you're trying to be, where you want to go. Because when you know where you want to go with investing, you can do the math to do the calculations to figure out what you need to be doing to get there. People always ask questions like, how much should I be investing? Or how much should I buy in this particular stock? You can do that work for yourself. See, I can't make recommendations for you for how much you need to be investing because I don't know your personal financial situation. So you have to set goals for yourself for where you want to be, to help you reverse engineer how much you need to be invested on a monthly basis or how much of a stock you need to be buying. When we do this free class that's about to start, so for the people that just don't join, my free beginner investing class is starting in 20 minutes. We're starting at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard. I have the link for you to register in the description for this video. And one of the things that we're going to do on this call is we're going to help you calculate your freedom number. This is the amount of money that you need in your portfolio that can pay you so you no longer have to trade time for money. Okay, we're going to do that on the call. So if you're one of those people that's like, well, Courtney, I know you're telling me I need to have vision and I need to know where I'm going, but I don't know how much I'm going to need. I'll help you do that on the call today. So first you need patience. Second thing you need is vision. And the third thing that you need, and this is y'all gonna you think that this may be crazy. Now y'all gonna get it. I think y'all gonna get it. You gotta have confidence. You have to have belief in yourself that committing your money and your time to investing, it will pay off for you. Because when you have that confidence and the belief in the market and in investing, you're going to do the homework. You're going to do the studying. You're going to do all of the necessary back work that is required for you to build that multi-million dollar portfolio. When you don't believe in yourself, when you have doubts about something, you have step. When you have doubts, you look for a plan B. When you have doubts, you don't even speak confidently to yourself. And let me tell y'all something. Investing works. The stock market works. We have over 100 years of data. This system is proven. The question now becomes, are you going to participate? Are you going to do what it takes to learn how to invest? I'm going to go all the way straight. Are you going to commit to it? Are you going to consistently put an amount of money in the market, not just on months that's not December, not just on months that aren't January? It's going to be random March. Are you still investing in the market automatically? You have to believe that this is going to work, because it's going to be that belief that's going to give you the mental that you need for when the market is going in the opposite direction. But you know that the best days in the market come after the worst days. It's that confidence and belief in this system, in this model, that's going to allow you to continue to invest when things aren't looking great. Guys, you got to have patience. You have to have belief in yourself. But look, all right, I got to hurry up because we're getting started at 5. So go to the description in this video, hit the link, register. I know it says 4 o'clock today. We're starting an hour later. So we're starting at 5 today. Go ahead and register, tap in. I'm going to give you everything that you need to start investing tomorrow. All right, y'all. I see y'all in about 15 minutes.